Hi, my name's Tim Wilson. I'm a senior trainer at Red Rocket Studio. I would love to help you to create beautiful and professional looking images using Adobe Photoshop. Not only have I trained for some of the world's leading companies like BBC, Nissan, Adobe, Disney, but I've also spent many years as a university lecturer. I know how to create a course which you will absolutely love and get the most out of. We'll start right at the beginning and we'll go through everything step by step. And you'll never be on your own because I'll always be there to answer any questions. Here are some of the real-world examples and techniques that we will be covering in this course. Create patterns with textures and exciting compositions. Cut out hair for professional results. Work on a professional portrait and make it look even better. Create a logo. Add it to a vehicle. Create a night scene. And easily create multiple variations from a single design. Adobe Photoshop is such an incredibly powerful package, and the latest versions have got all the power of AI incorporated into it. So I've crafted this course especially for you using those AI features. You'll learn all the standard Photoshop techniques, but you'll also learn how to use the new AI integrated features. If you're doing this course for professional work, not only will you have tons of images for your portfolio at the end, but you'll also have so many techniques which will really appeal to clients. Of course, if you don't have to use Photoshop professionally, you will have so much fun creating amazing images and graphics and doing retouching, and you'll create incredible work that will really amaze family and friends. I can't wait to help you to learn Adobe Photoshop.